Welcome. In this video I will show you how to save RGB profiles to G512 X keyboard's onboard memory. So to do that, we're gonna have to open the G Hub application on our computer. After we connect our keyboard to it, then open our keyboard's customization menu. Then we're gonna have to select the profile that we want to upload. For example, let's use this profile. Then in case of default presets, in order to upload them to your to onload memory, we just have to select the effect that we want to use. We can also customize it. And then we're gonna have to go to device settings, onboard mode, enable it, then select the slot that you want to use for this effect and click import G Hub profile, select, and this effect will be applied. Now in case of custom animations, custom freestyle colorings, in order to upload them to onboard memory, you're gonna have to disable it, return back. Now you're gonna have to go into the freestyle or animations menu and select your custom animation or custom freestyle in the effects menu. Right, so I have some personal freestyle right here, and if you want to upload it to your keyboard, you're gonna have to first go to device settings right here, then select device lighting, then here in effects on this device you're gonna have to add a new effect or replace an old one by clicking replace effect. Then you're gonna have to select your desired effect, click select, and then wait until it's downloaded. As you can see, it's now stored on your device. Now what you have to do next is return back to LightSync menu, go to presets, and in presets, in effect, select your custom freestyle. Then return back to device settings. Let's check which profile we are currently using, and then return back to the device settings, go to onboard mode, enable it, select any memory slot, click the three-dot icon next to it and select import G Hub profile, and then make sure to select the profile that you are using with your custom animation, and this will upload your custom animation to the onboard memory of your keyboard. As you can see, I have mine custom freestyle uploaded, and that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.